Well, hi there, everybody. Good Wednesday morning to meteorologist Travis Kleneski. It's been a very busy morning, an active couple of hours, and I'm sure many of you already know that out there. As a look at the clock here, it's 7:57 in the morning here on Wednesday morning. I want to look at radar first, just to give you an idea of what's really gone down in the last several hours. A very heavy band of snow setting up, or has set up across central Nebraska. We've had reports of as much as 8.5 inches in southwestern Custer County. Around 4 to 6 inches around the Tri-Cities area, Lincoln or Loop City, Ord area, Ravenna. So heavy snowfall. But look, it's already clearing out to the north and to the northwest, and that is a trend that will continue very quickly here late this morning. And by this afternoon, almost everybody looking at drier conditions. How much snow are we talking? Again, I kind of gave you those totals already, so you can almost ignore this graphic, but it gives you a good idea of where the heavier bands have set up in the viewing area. So we do continue with winter storm warnings, which there have been a lot of upgrades across central Nebraska in the last hour or so. Pink shaded areas under winter storm warnings for the heavier snows, winter weather advisories in the purple shaded areas. Most of these will go till about the noon hour or so, maybe a little bit later outside of our viewing area in southeast Nebraska. So the snow will continue to fall for at least a few more hours, but by the noon hour, other than maybe the southern parts of our viewing area, we're wrapping things up. In fact, some sun up towards the north that tries to work in this afternoon. The winds die back late this afternoon as high pressure builds in, but temps will actually start to drop off pretty quickly late this afternoon, and especially tonight with that high pressure pushing to the east, though eventually winds are going to kick up out of the south. So we'll probably bottom out around midnight or so, and then temps climb towards tomorrow morning. Not a lot, but it won't be quite as cold, but those winds will make it feel plenty cold out there with wind chills in the teens, maybe even around 20 below zero early tomorrow morning. Those winds do bring an improvement to our temperature department for tomorrow. Now, partly to mostly sunny skies, and temps ranging anywhere from the upper 20s to the 50s way out west for tomorrow. We're going to see a wide range in temps. Of course, the 50s in the southwestern part of the state, that's where they have little to no snow on the ground right now, and they aren't really going to pick up much from this storm system that's currently ongoing. Temperatures for today, again, temps will go really nowhere for the day, maybe even drop a little bit later on. Upper teens up north, lower 20s here to the west, maybe even upper teens around Lexington, and then upper teens, lower 20s in the south and to the east. Temperatures not real important. It's just going to be cold in those wind chills in the teens or single digits above and below zero for the day today. 7-day forecast after today, it gets very quiet. Even late this afternoon, again, we're going to be digging out. That's the big thing going on this afternoon, so it's still going to be slick out there on the roads and stuff. And then the frigid conditions tonight, but then tomorrow, a nice recovery, 32 in the Tri-Cities, much warmer to our west and southwest, especially where there's no snow on the ground. And then it's going to be snow melting weather for the rest of the week, right into the upcoming weekend and early next week. And with all that snow melting, expecting warmer conditions to eventually settle in. And in fact, out in the west, 60s are a good possibility later on this week into the upcoming weekend. So other than today's active weather, actually very quiet, and break out of this winter chill very quickly, but also means a lot of snow melt out there, and that could bring some fog to the area too, which may impact weather here later on down the road, which we'll kind of get ourselves concerned with more as that time frame gets a little bit closer. So again, as for now, take it easy out there today. I know there are a lot of school closings. Probably going to be a lot of kids out sledding this afternoon with the school closings we're seeing out there. But again, take it easy, and we'll see you all again next time. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Kleneski. Have a great Wednesday and a safe day.